Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your prepaid card with PayPal. This can be helpful when you want to shop online through PayPal without directly using your main debit or credit card. If you want to pay with a prepaid card through your PayPal account, the process is pretty simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know what to expect at each stage, including the small verification charge that often confuses people the first time they see it. Before starting, make sure the prepaid card has been activated, has enough available balance, and supports online transactions. To begin, open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. This is the area where you manage your payment methods, including cards and bank accounts linked to your account. Once you're in the wallet, look for the option that says Link Card and click on it. The wording or position may look slightly different on the PayPal app, but you should still see an option for adding a card. Next, enter the details of your prepaid card carefully. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is normally the 3-digit number printed on the back of the card. Make sure everything is typed exactly as it appears on the card, because even a small mistake can prevent the card from being added successfully. You may also need to provide a billing address that matches the address registered with the prepaid card provider. After entering the information, confirm to continue. Once the card has been added, PayPal may send a small test transaction to the prepaid card. This is a temporary charge used only to verify that the card is valid and active. Don't worry, this amount is typically refunded shortly after. Make sure the card has a small amount of available balance, so the verification transaction can be completed. The purpose of this step is simply to confirm that the card can be used with your account. Depending on the card provider, the refund timing can vary, so if you don't see it immediately, that's usually normal. You can check the card's transaction history or contact the card provider if the temporary charge remains for an unusually long time. After the card has been verified, you'll be able to use it for payments through PayPal. That means, when you check out on a website and select PayPal as your payment method, your prepaid card can fund the purchase through your PayPal account. Keep in mind that some prepaid cards may have restrictions on international purchases, recurring payments, or certain types of transactions. If you want PayPal to use this prepaid card by default, go back to the card in your wallet and click Set as Preferred. This tells PayPal to try this card first before using your PayPal balance whenever you choose your PayPal account as the payment method. Before completing any purchase, you can still review the selected payment method and choose a different one when necessary. This is especially useful if you want more control over which source is used for payments without changing it manually every time. It can also help you stay within a set spending limit, because you can only use the balance currently available on the prepaid card. And that's all there is to it. Add the prepaid card in the wallet, confirm the details, wait for the verification to complete, and then set it as preferred if you want it to be your primary payment source. Once that's done, you're ready to use your prepaid card with PayPal. If the card is declined, check its balance, activation status, billing address, and online payment settings before trying again.